crazy. This might be one of the biggest mysteries in the entire human civilization record.
We know there's a lot more down there, right, that we, at least the public, has never discovered. The bottom of the Osiris Shaft, for example, we know that there are further tunnels that go off from there, that go underneath it. One of the things that has recently come to light is that in the 1990s, that was scanned with ground-penetrating radar at the bottom level, and they found, yep, there are actually like 4-meter long, 8 feet high tunnels with dome ceilings below that, even further, that nobody, as far as we know, have ever explored. There are also tunnels leading off from that bottom level that head off towards the Sphinx, and they head off towards the pyramid, and in fact they fork because there was a little-known exploration done by a team of Japanese scientists in the early 2000s that got like a camera on a long pole, and they shoved it down through the mud, and they stuffed it about 20 meters into one of these tunnels, and they found these man-made structures, and that it actually forks off, and one seems to head towards the Great Pyramid, and one keeps going up towards Khafra.
Someone has to get in there. You have to figure out what that thing is.